Oh, Fiona's taking a poop. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Snowstorm, February 2013. La nevada del 2013, en febrero. There is Fiona and Jacob playing on the snow. Jacob, go grab the shovel and put Fiona's poop on the bucket, please. Be careful, don't fall. I don't want you to get dirty. Go get it. It's under the snow. You have to find it. Let's see. I help you. It should be over here. Let's see. Oh man! Oh, right here. Here. No, go get the poop. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Damn. Shake yourself. Clean yourself. Huh? Shake like this, like the wiggles. Go find the poop. Oh man, I don't know. You got lost. Oh, right there. You see Fiona smelling it? Yeah. Right there. Still there. Oh, still there. Oh man, just leave it. Forget it. Let's go. I'll pick it up later. Fiona. And don't touch the water. Go by the steps. Turn around. Go by the steps. Fiona, let's go. Oh man, you're all wet now. Come here. I'll clean you up. Oh. Tell you not to come. Go like this. Harder. Another foot. Okay, let's go, Fiona. Fiona, let's go.